Most AI image generators are paid, and the free ones allow you to generate only a limited number of images, or sometimes do not generate high-quality images. So, in this video, we will see how to use this amazing AI tool that has a free plan, where your credits regenerate every day, and also generates very high-quality realistic images. So, make sure you watch this video till the very end. We will be using this popular tool called Leonardo AI. To use this tool, you can click on the link given below in description. To use it, click Get Started. You can manually enter your email and password here or sign up using Google. Select the Gmail that you want to use, and then click Continue. After doing this, Leonardo AI will ask you to choose your username, your areas of interest and some permissions. After entering your username and selecting interests, scroll below and click Next. Then select a role that best describes you. Select one and click Done. Accept the terms of service. You can see this Leonardo AI tutorial available here or simply close it. We can finally generate our images here. If you scroll below, you can see the various images generated using this tool. You can see that the images are very creative, very high quality and also look very real depending on the prompts. On the left-hand side, you can see the various AI tools provided by Leonardo AI. Click Image Generation on the left. This is the place where you can enter your prompt. You can try your own prompts or take help from ChatGPT. I have made this prompt using ChatGPT and you can see the prompt in the description. After you enter your prompt, we will come to the best part of Leonardo AI, and that is customizations. Click here on Preset on the left, and you can choose a preset for your image. You can see how each preset looks and select any one. I will select Lifelike Vision that creates hyper-realistic images. You can select the preset style here. I will select Cinematic. Choose Contrast. You can select image dimensions. I will select 16:9. Then number of images, 4. We also have some advanced settings like negative prompt, transparency, etc. After making all the necessary customizations, click Generate. You can see that we have 150 tokens available and image generation takes about 14 tokens, giving us 4 images, which means 40 images in total, and the best part, your tokens regenerate every day. And I will also show how you can generate even more images. Let us skip to the part where our images are ready.
A few moments later.
You can see that our images are ready and they are so real that they look like a real-life photo shoot. You can click on the images to view and you can see the amount of detailing in the image. The images are also in very high quality and each image is different in its own way. You can click here to download the image. Now, if you want to generate more images, just scroll above and click Upgrade Plan. You can see all the plans, and the free plan provides 150 tokens that reset every day. The apprentice plan gives 8,500 tokens, which is more than 50 times the free plan. You can compare the benefits provided by all the plans. Also, if you pay monthly, you won't get any discount. But if you pay yearly, you get a 20% discount. Select a plan and click Subscribe. You will be redirected to the payment page. You can enter your details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about another free AI tool to generate images, then watch the video on the left. If you want to write SEO-optimized articles using AI, then watch the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.